Using treated septic effluent to irrigate non-edible landscaping around a tiny house can conserve water and reduce site utility demands. Design the system so treated effluent meets local regulatory treatment levels before irrigation by choosing an appropriate polishing step such as an aerobic treatment unit or a sand filter to reliably reduce biochemical oxygen demand and pathogens. Size the aerobic treatment unit or sand filter based on daily flow estimates for a tiny house, which usually range from single person to small household flows, and add at least 20% design margin to accommodate peaks in maintenance. Install a subsurface drip irrigation network using pressure compensating emitters and zone valves to deliver effluent below the soil surface and avoid human contact and aerosolization. Design lateral spacing so the soil can accept the hydraulic load without ponding by performing a percolation or infiltration test. Include dedicated signage at access points that clearly states non-potable effluent is in use, and add a backflow prevention device to any potential potable water connections to prevent cross-contamination. Provide a failure bypass that automatically diverts effluent to a safe disposal point such as a holding tank or package disposal system if the treatment or irrigation system alarms, and include alarm integration for high water, pump failure, and filter clogging. Plan maintenance access and a routine schedule for desludging, pump checks, and filter replacement, and keep simple log sheets on site to document inspections and any corrective actions. Common mistakes include relying on inadequate treatment, which leads to pathogen or nutrient discharge. The fix is to choose a verified polishing step like an aerobic treatment unit or properly sized sand filter and test effluent before commissioning. Another issue is surface irrigation or poorly buried lines that create exposure, risk, and odor problems. Avoid this by using subsurface drip lines with correct burial depth and pressure regulation. A third problem is lack of bypass or alarm systems, so failures overflow to the environment. Provide an automatic diversion to a holding tank and set visual and audible alarms, and train the occupant on emergency steps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like effluent irrigation for tiny houses and helps people find local professionals and peer advice related to design and installation. We host a discussion community where we, our members, and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and learn about practical solutions.